The holiday release is super exciting because in a lot of ways, it's Tesla's gift back to our customers. Once a year, we're able to deliver a software update that's just filled with tons of goodies and new and fun little Easter eggs for people to play around with.
One of the new features we added in this release is the ability to check the interior camera from the mobile app. This is especially useful in dog mode if you want to check on your pets, or in Sentry mode if you get a Sentry event and you want to see what's happening inside the car.
This year, our team worked on a lot of different features. One of them is improvements to the light show. One of the improvements we made was adding the ability to schedule a light show up to 10 minutes in advance. Also adding a countdown on the screen when the show is about to start. One of the use cases for the scheduled light show is setting the light show to play on multiple Teslas at the same time, and then you can watch them all play in sync.
This release, we added some UI improvements, specifically the media card. Whenever the media card isn't showing, the media player will show up at the top of the media app.
Now the passenger has all these great media controls, and we have more space for things like metadata to show what song is playing.
We've taken the Steam Game Store, Steam Game Client that many at-home PC gamers will know, and we put it in the new Model S and Model X. So you can game when you're in your vehicle and sitting at superchargers. It truly is an in-car PC gaming experience. Valve's Steam Deck, which is their handheld gaming computer that uses all of Valve's Linux gaming support. And so we took most of that and we put it in a virtual machine running on our system, and then take the Navi 23 gaming GPU in the car, and we pass that through into the VM. And that's how we get the high performance and high graphics settings that we're able to run.
We've enabled pairing multiple controllers to the car. If the game supports it, it will automatically show up and work within the car. You can play Rocket League with your friends on the go.
For this holiday release, we've made several maps and navigation UI improvements. We redesigned the turns and made the distance larger to make it more visible to the driver. And we've also organized the upcoming turns in the expanded turn list.
And for those of you that love rainbows, we have the Always Rainbows button. When Always Rainbows is engaged, a rainbow will appear under your trajectory.
So the primary thing that I worked on as an intern was integrating Mahjong into the Tesla Arcade. You will ship the work that you did, and you will get to see people interact with it very quickly. That's really like the most motivating thing, is to see the impact that your work has on the users.